What is left of Fiona is now hitting eastern Canada, and they'll be dealing with that today. High winds, heavy rain, and a powerful storm surge. Fiona left behind severe damage in the islands it slammed and is blamed for at least 7 deaths in its week-long journey.
Meanwhile, down in the Sunshine State, preps are underway in Florida as a newly named tropical storm Ian takes aim at the state. Mike, what's the latest, man?
Well, Fiona was a hurricane until later yesterday. It's now moved up into the North Atlantic and eastern Canada. It's no longer a tropical system. It's not all the way surrounded by warm air. Some kind of academic reasons why, but it's still a monster storm and producing hurricane-like winds, 90 miles an hour. So that's going to be moving up into eastern Canada today. But here's Ian. It's down the Caribbean. It's just to the southeast of Jamaica. This got named last night. And the path is going to go near Jamaica, but over the Cayman Islands, becoming a Category 1 hurricane probably by tomorrow evening. Then going across western Cuba, this Gulf water here is really warm, and it may be a high Category 2 or a lower Category 3 when it makes landfall Wednesday night. Right now, might be near Tampa, Sarasota, but this is the cone of uncertainty. So the path could actually go more towards the Gulf or more towards the Bahamas, but most of the models are keying in on Florida.
Bears watching.
It does. In fact, here's the spaghetti plot of the models, and you can see they all kind of converge near Florida. And then after that, they kind of go all over the place. And we have a few computer models that aren't plotted on here, but this is the range by the time we get towards next weekend, anywhere from the plains all the way out into the Atlantic. So this storm may go through Tampa and then go out towards Bermuda. So a wide range of possibilities once it gets past about the middle point of the week. If it does come up near our area, that could give us some beneficial rain Friday into Saturday. So we'll keep an eye on that.